Hey web traveler! Today we're opening 35 promo packs. If you don't know what those are, each set of Got a Story has its own promo pack set. You can buy them loose or you can obtain them, for example buying a box which has like one promo pack included, or using a tcgcomrade code, you know, buying a booster box, link in the description, and it will get you also one free promo pack. Let's open them up. It's like one card. Oh, that's a good one. Hell yeah, man. It's like one card in the pack and I'm already loving it. Freaking great. Love is war. He's my waifu in secret. Which is not secret anymore because, I mean, all of you guys know it now, so whatever. Ooh. Okay, who is that? I don't know. Also, I have no clue if I will get any repeats or which promo sets will I be getting. So we can look at that. This one is from 2MO3 set and this one is from 2MO3 set. So maybe I have all of them from this set. That would maybe suck a little bit because I don't know how many are there in the set. That would mean I will get a lot of doubles. And I thought for a second when I saw only this resembles that like somewhere. So I thought I already got my first double, but I didn't. And I also don't know who this is. But promo cards are really beautiful. It's just like an SSR card, but they are more special. Let's see what we have here. Hey, that's Fate. That's a very nice surprise. I like it. Hell yeah. And also the same set. So probably, I mean, I can assume it's all of the same set. I will get like the pile of the girls I know and I like, and the other pile will just be like off camera because I don't have a room for 35 cards. And so far not a single double, which is a lovely sign. I struggle to open these packs, I don't know why. Fate, okay, I figured that much. But also the same set, so we're on track. And apparently she loves food, I guess. Yeah, okay, well, nice detail. So guys, if you want to support the channel, subscribe and leave a comment or like. I would be very happy to see you do that. And that is Greedman. Cool. I mean, fuck it, I put her there. I don't really like Gridman. Watched it nonetheless. Hey, I already have this one. It's another set. Ooh, that makes it spicy. The first card from another set, because this one is 2MO04. So let's continue and see which one. That's also the same set, because of the horoscope theme, and I don't fucking know. This one is Angel Beast, okay. So that's another anime, and probably they just categorized some waifus, also horoscope things. Okay, I get you. And ooh, that's looking hella nice. Don't forget, guys, I will leave the links in the description where you can buy them loose, but also to the sellers where you can use the code tcgcomrade. If you buy a booster box, you will get one promo card for free added to your order. We are blessed with the sun, by the way. And also, there's no telling from an outside or from which set will you get the promo card. But as far as we go, I think I will be getting all of this horoscope shit. I am just hoping for a really great waifu material. Yeah, well, thank you so much for listening to my prayers. God damn, love is sweet. This card is fucking amazing. Holy shit. Another set also. So I probably got a bunch of few sets, like maybe like 4 or 5 cards per set. So let them mix maybe, because right now I always got cards from the same set right back to back. So this way I might be spicing some shit. Who is that? And oh, okay. Haven't seen it. Looking great though. Hey, another Greenman card. I mean, yeah. It is what it is. It is Greenman, but huh? And here they spelled like Gridman in Japanese. Okay. Weird choice, but okay. Whatever the fuck do I know? And Come on, why my camera is being ass about focusing? Okay, I again am in need for some character that I know. Also, I love you. Okay, cool. She loves me apparently, and you are also, because you are subscribed to the channel, right? That's the requirement for love, apparently. Hey, that's K-own. I haven't seen it, so... But I mean, it does count as somebody who I know. That's what I asked. Okay, I need to be more specific with my demands, I guess. Because when I said I want some good waifu, I got amazing waifu. And now I said I want someone I know, and I did get someone I know, but I haven't seen the anime, actually. Hey, maybe we can get the whole gang in here. That's nice. Oh, goddamn, what the fuck? Bro, if you're looking like this, it is almost as if she's naked, but I mean, it's obviously not, but I mean, good card, what can I say? Very nice instrument on the background. What do we have? Oh, okay, I need to be more clear with my demands, because now I said I want the great waifu, and I got the great waifu, but I got the same waifu I already have, so okay. I'm gonna say it otherwise. I want a great waifu that I don't have here on the table. How about now? We will see, we will see. Is it Fate? I don't fucking know who that is. But she has horns. She looks nice, but it doesn't count. It doesn't count. Hey, the sun again. Yay! Let's go. So, okay. We have a few packs left. Or should I say a few cards? I mean, god damn it, this pack. I'm just afraid to damage a card because there's only like one there. She looks kind of familiar, but I don't know. Only one card in the pack, so I can just damage it while opening the pack. I know myself, okay? Okay, cool. But now I really need a waifu that I know and don't have on the table with a great potential. Is it Ram? I do! I mean, you can ask a lot of questions and the answer will always be that she does. But the camera won't focus. Yeah, thank you. God damn it. Collection. Okay, so it's not Ram. And a double, is it? I can't remember. I have a feeling I saw you, but it was probably another girl. Hell yeah, look at that. That's freaking amazing. Oh, the freaking plastic pile is getting out of the hand. That's Genshin Impact, right? But why is her hair... Who the fuck is this? I mean, it looks like Mona, right? But also, at the same time, it is not her. Maybe Genshin Impact has more, like, magical girls from the same, like, school or whatever. Let me know in the comments, because I played it only for a few hours, Genshin Impact, and I can recognize the characters, but I don't know shit about it. So let me know who she is. Oh, that's a great one, and I believe I already have it. But it might be another character with the same features. Which is cool. I mean, I don't mind. All the promo cards are welcome in my house. So we have also a little bit the same energy, but it's definitely different sets and different animes. Yes! Let's go! Fuck yeah, that's the one I was hoping to get. And I mean, there's so many promo cards and I'm really glad I got it. Holy shit. I had another, I have like Ishitar already, which also is the huge luck. And now we got Rishigal, which goes with Ishitar. Fuck yes, I'm so fucking happy, which also could mean there's another Ishitar in there. But I also know there are two other promo cards of Ishitar and Irishigal, which are probably not here, because I have only 6 packs left. And I mean, that would be insane if I get another 2 in here. Yes. I told you, there's probably, I mean, I'm glad I got those 2. And even though it's a double, look, they're going together. Ain't that freaking beautiful? Holy shit. That's fucking amazing. Now if you will get me other 2, I will be just... Bruh, come on, it's getting so good all of the sudden. Freaking Megumin, goddamn. She is looking amazing. Holy shit. I don't have room. Yeah, get the fuck out of here, Grid Man. Megumin deserves this place. Okay. Can you... I wanted to say, can you surprise me more? And it just keeps on giving. Nice card and nice character. I really like the character from ReZero. Okay, I don't think it can get better. No, it can. It definitely can. Like, it's a double, but whatever. I didn't get that much doubles. Hey, that's a cool one. Haven't seen it, but but I know which one that is. My little fuck. Which Academia? I don't fuck. It's something like that. And the last one, looking like a Genshin Impact card, and probably is. And goddamn, holy shit, this is amazing. The fireworks, the colors, damn, looking hella nice. Thank you for watching, Web Travelers, and I see you in another one.